Hi, would you like a free copy of this book today? Well, on Monday, February 28th, join me live on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/ Great Amaziyah. Sonia Patterson Cares will be giving away not one, two, three, four, nor five, but six amazing book from the author, Craig A. Kirkland. Yeah, man, I miss him with Amaziyah The Great. But conditions apply. You have to like and subscribe to our YouTube channels. You have to follow us on Instagram. But join we live for the show and we hear exactly what go on, because there will be questions for you to answer in order for you to win one copy of this book. But like me telling you already, six people are going to win this book. It's about motivational, it's about love, romance, sex, the whole 9 yards, my system, my journey. So just join us, 8:30 p.m., the 28th of February, tell them precisely.